guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some easy peasy chocolate chip cookies. Yes, for these chocolate chip cookies, you're going to need some vanilla, which I have a half a teaspoon of some vanilla. I have a fourth of a teaspoon of salt. I have a half a teaspoon of some baking soda. I have 1 egg. I have 1 1/4 cup of flour. I have a cup of sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar. I have some melted butter that's cooling on the back. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright. So, and what I like to say, for these easy peasy cookies, you only need a wooden spoon. So I'm pulling in my vanilla. Pulling in my butter, and we're going to start with the sugars. So that has stirring in my half a cup of granulated white sugar, my half a cup of packed brown sugar. Make sure you pack it in there, guys. Put it in there. And what happens when you melt the butter, it makes the cookies crispy. Alright. So my butter was still a little hot, so we added the sugar first to cool down so that I can add my eggs, so we don't have scrambled eggs in here. Now, going in with that beautiful egg. I'm doing something that I love to do. I love to bake, but I don't really get the opportunity because I don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste a good bunch of baked goods when my kids are older. They're not really in the house. They all working. Everybody got their own careers and they doing whatever they doing. Nobody's around to really eat this, and I don't want to be there indulging because I don't want them to go to waste and eat a whole bunch of sweets. So I don't make it like I want to. I really should have beaten that egg before I stuck it in there, but that's alright. Now we're going to go in vanilla. I think I'm going to just add a tad more. There we go. I like vanilla. Salt. Baking soda. Mix that in there. We're going to get that all mixed in before we start adding that flour. We're going to add a little at a time. Ooh, that's some good vanilla. You can smell it. I had some Baker's Choice vanilla. Ooh. Getting flour splashed up on me. I should have put my apron on. Alright. I'm gonna grab a whisk out because I'm feeling some sort of way about this. Spoon. Keep turning it. You don't want to mix too hard and then I get flour everywhere. Okay. Okay, so the batter, it's thick, but not the way I would like it for a chocolate chip cookie. So I'm going to add half a cup of flour. And I'm going to put all the exact ingredients down the bottom so you can make this easy cookie. I was coming up with a recipe so that you guys who don't have a mixer can do this cookie. And I preheated my oven on 350, and this is the consistency of the cookie I'm talking about. Now, in my mixer, my whisk, and go back to my spoon. Alright, this is cookie consistency, and this is what we want to have. So now I'm going in with, because my daughter like a lot of chocolate chips, I'm going in with 1 cup, and these are milk chocolate chips. I'm just gonna fold them in. There we go. Then chocolate chips. There we go. I like tasting the cookie batter. Delicious. Ooh, that melted butter. And this vanilla, I could just eat that by itself. Alright guys, look at these cookies. They are absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Pretty beautiful cookies. To the inside. Oh my goodness. Crispy on the outside, but yet soft. Inside. These are delicious chocolate chip cookies, guys. You gotta try these. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Only thing we're missing is a big old cup of milk. Woo! The nuttiness from melting that butter. Giant chocolate chip cookie. Y'all gotta give these a try. These are a winner. I promise. These are a winner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.